Hey guys, what's up? Pro Nation here, and I'm with this dumb girl.
Hi guys.
My dumb sister.
I'm not dumb.
And right now I'm running late for school. So yeah, I have to take her to school now, and then I'm gonna go on the city bus or a taxi. I don't know.
Well, kind of mostly.
This girl's dumb. Let's go.
They call me dumb. I'm not dumb. You are dumb.
No one likes you.
No one loves you, Timothy, because you don't even
Oh, you're so
have
fat.
friends.
Look at that. You're so fat. Fat.
Well, you're fat and you're fat too. So, talk to the hand with the face and listening.
That's off the software, dummy. Let's go. Fidget spin vlogs. That's cool because when you're looking at it in real life, it doesn't show that.
Oh.
Yeah.
Told you we should wait for them.
Now I have to go back. Hold on. We're coming back. Okay, guys, we're back, and I'm here with my other dumb sister, Emily. Say hi.
Stupid. Timmy.
And you're dumb.
Stupid.
Well, let's just go. Shut up, Brown. Everyone pees, dummy. Okay, that doesn't help your case. Everyone pees.
So I'm gonna say he's unfair, but then he's mad at me.
Let's go. Come on. And quit lying, okay? Let's go. Because I can go and expose you right now. So let's go.
I will go that way.
But I want to go straight.
No,
But I want to go straight. No! Wait.
When are we going to Burger King?
Hashtag Burger King sponsor us. Now let's go. I want to go straight.
No, we going left.
But I don't like this park.
Well, I do. So you gonna like it or not? Wait.
I don't like you anyway.
We have to go down this way. Who wants to go down this way? Oh, see? Okay. Oh.
Okay, so let's go the other way. No.
Wait, what?
Come on. I don't care. Come on, girls. Come on.
Next time you walk with us, I'm going in the car. Yeah, now too. Come on.
Huh?
Yeah, me too.
Well, I don't know that girl, so let's go.
Well, Mom told you that person goes.
No, she didn't.
Ah,
Well, so how's your day been going?
stupid to me.
How's your baby going?
I don't care about you.
So as you can see, we all just woke up.
And Tim's the stupidest person ever. Yeah.
I am.
You don't know 100,000 pounds, 100 million, 180.
You probably don't even know what. You don't even know that, so shut up. That means you're dumb too.
You shut up.
And no one should see my face.
Yeah, I see your face.
You want to vlog?
Yeah.
You want to hold the camera? You want to hold the camera?
No.
Okay, fine.
I'll hold it.
Face.
Okay.
Go.
Okay, hi guys. This is Brianna Rivera, and this is my dumb person. This is my dumb person, Emily and Timmy. Now I'm going to want to eat your butt.
Sorry about that. My dumb sisters are trying to film my face, which no one should see my face unless you go on my other channel. But you guys should never see my other channel.
Timmy. Remember Mara and Logan? That one where Jeff would take the bath, remember?
Okay, well that's gonna be it. See you guys later, guys. It's already going on for 4.5 minutes. No wait, 5 minutes. So yeah, I'm gonna see you guys later. Okay? Goodbye!